Hey, what's up guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be showcasing you how to switch between navigation gestures and buttons on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra or any other Samsung phone. So if you are currently don't like how you're navigating through your phone, whether you're using your B buttons or gestures, you can also switch this. How to do so is you need to open up your settings. Then under settings, you wanted to scroll and select display. From here, you wanted to look for the option navigation bar right here and tap on it. Then from here, you should see the buttons and swipe gesture. So currently mine is set to buttons, which is why I have these three buttons available for me. From these buttons, I can open up all the apps, I can go to home and I can navigate back button. So these are three buttons that I use to navigate on my phone. If I wanted to switch to other options, so for example, swipe gesture, just tap on that and now you should see a navigation, a swipe gesture bar at the bottom, meaning you successfully switched between navigation types. So now if I want to go back to the home screen, I just swipe up and it will go back to the home screen. If I want to open multiple view window, I swipe up to the middle of the screen to view all the apps running in the background. Now if I wanted to go back, I will just swipe like that or swipe either on the right side or on the left side and it will take me back to where I was previously. So this is how you can use the swipe gesture on your Galaxy S26 series. Again, if you wanted to switch back to button, just select the button option. If you are under buttons, you should see the option to change the buttons order. So this is how it is currently set. With multiple view, home and back, you can choose to invert it so that it's back, home and then multi-view. Alternatively, if you are using the swipe gesture, when you tap on more option, you can choose to block gestures with S Pen. So you can choose to enable or disable that and then you can increase or decrease the gesture sensitivity by using this slider. So you can set it to high, medium or low. It's completely up to you to decide how you want to customize it. So when you are happy, you just exit the setting app knowing you have successfully customized your navigation gesture or buttons on your Galaxy S26 series. So guys, that is how you can do that. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Be sure to subscribe because some amazing content is planned for this year. Peace.